This conference will now be recorded.
Okay, good morning team. In this Microsoft Fabric Master Program, in today's session we will talk about mastering joins from basics to advanced scenarios. We'll be discussing today. So we will learn joins overview, inner join, left join, right join, full join, left semi join, left anti join, cross join, join definitions, advanced joins, interview questions on joins we'll be discussing in today's session. Okay, so joins overview, if you see, you have an inner join where you will get a common records from both the tables. Okay, next, if you look at our second join, right, which is the left outer join. Left outer join means, remember, it will give you the common records place all records in the left table, all records in the left table. For example, you have employees are 1, 2, 3. So these people are working in a different departments. The department id is a 10, and he is working in a 20. Okay, now I set that there is a department table. Now department table contains the department ids 10 manufacturing, 20 procurement, sorry, not 20, 30. Okay, 10, 30, I have a department. It is here 3 employees with the department 10, 10, 20. Now if I do a inner join based on department id, how many records will come in the output team?
2 records.
2 records, because department id 10 is matching with the this first employee belongs to a manufacturing department. Second employee also same department, 10 manufacturing department. So 2 records are going to come in the output, 2 employee details. Now when I apply a left join, how many records will come? Left join, when I apply, 3 records are going to come. 2 are basically mapping records, 2 are matched records, 1 is the unmatched record. Okay, one is the unmatched record, that is 320 is going to come. So employee id is 3, department id is 20 is going to come in the output. Clear team? So employee id is 3 and department id 20 is also going to come when you apply a left outer join. So left outer means match records plus unmatched records from the third. What about the right outer join means? Right outer join means all matching records plus unmatched record from the right table, which is a 30th department. 30th department also going to come as a right outer join. Now full outer join. Full outer join means all the records which are available in both the sides. So see, this 10 is matching here, and there are this third employee department not exist in the department table, still it will come in the full join. And in the 30th department, right, 30th department, which is not we don't have any employee belongs to 30th, so total you will get a year also one more record, total 4 records. Cartesian product means, remember team, if you have a 3 records here, 3 records here, irrespective of whether records are matching or not, 9 records will come, because every record in the left table will go and join with the right side. So every record in the left table will go and join with the, for example, 1, 2, 3. We have here also 1, 2, 3. You have 1 is going to match it like this, 2 is going to match it like this, 3 is going to match it like this. Okay, fine. Inner join. So let's look at this inner join, left join, right join through the data. So this is the inner join. I have a orders table and customer table. Now if I join these two tables based on customer id, can you tell me how many records are going to come in the output team? How many records are going to come in the output?
1.
Only one record, that is the second record is going to come in the output. That is second record is going to come in the output. Correct? Next. Result is 2 laptop 1996-09-18, 2 Rama Anatujilia, Mexico. So right, so you are getting all these particular records. Next, left join 237-77. 2, 37, 77 is the, this is the left table, this is the right table. So if you see left table, you have orders table, this is the right table, you have a customers table. Now what happens, Tim? So when you apply left join, what is going to happen? Can you tell me?
3 records.
So 1 plus like 1 plus 2 equal to 3. Left join is 3 records, correct? 1 plus 2, because 2 is the record which is going to match here. 2 is going to match, and 37 and 77 are the unmatched records. Are you getting? 37 and 77 are the unmatched records. Total you will get the 3 records. One is matched record, two are unmatched record. Don't worry about syntax, I'll explain the syntax, but look at the result. Left join means 2, which is a match record. 37, 77 from the left table, unmatched records are also going to come. Okay. Next, right join. Right join means it's orders table. This is the customer table. So when you join df1 dot join with df2, df1 of customer id equal to df2 of customer id. The type of join is right join. Okay. Df underscore right dot show, when you say 2 which is a match record, 2 which is a match record, and then you have a right join. Right join means unmatched records from the right table, that is 1 and 3 is going to come from the right table. Okay, 2 which is a match record, 1 and 3 from the right table you are getting. Similarly, full join means 2 which is a match record, and 37, see 2 is a match record, 37, 77 from left table, 1 and 3 from the right table, 1 and 3 from the right table. Now what happens still? Now when you join, right, so which is the inner join records are going to come. Matching record is this, unmatched records from the left table are this, unmatched records from the right table are 1 and 3. So that is the total number of records we'll be getting. Clear all of you, Tim? So left semi means what you will get? Okay, left semi is something different. Maybe people who knows the SQL also, they may not aware of it. I'll explain it. So df1 and df2. So we are going to apply the full join. Full join means common records plus remaining records in left table, remaining records in right table, everything we are going to get. Okay. Now left semi. Left semi means, remember, matching records from only left table will be displayed. Okay. Which record is matching here? Second record, right? Second record, right? Only that second record will be displayed from the left table columns only. You see here? Understood? Now let's look at left anti. Left anti join means unmatched records from the left table. Anti means opposite, right? Unmatched records from the left table only displayed. What are the unmatched records from the left table? 37 and 37 and 77. 37 and 77 are the two records which are only available in the left table, which are not matching with any table. Okay. Now, so this is the data that I have. On top of this, if I apply a cross join means simple df1 dot cross join of df2 you will put. So what happens is, no need to match with any case. Each of this record will go and match with these three. The 37 record will go and match with these three again. 77 record also will go and match with these three. So that's how all the data is going to match. Clear all of you, Tim? So now let's talk about the join definitions. Inner join means matching records only. Left join means matching records plus all remaining records from the left table. Right join means matching records plus all remaining records from right table. Full join means all matching records plus left remaining records from left table, remaining records from the right table. Left semi means when we match df1 and df2, it returns df1 columns and matching data. Okay. Left anti means when we match df1 and df2, it returns df1 columns and unmatched data. Cross join means it's a Cartesian product. Okay. Now let's take an example. I have a left table team. Okay, I have a left table with 1, 2, 3. I have a right table with 1, 3, 5. Now let me ask Ajar Basha, can you tell me for left to join, how many records are going to come? What are those records?
1, 2, and 3.
1, 2, and 3. So total, how many records are going to come? Left to join means
3 records.
how many of these three are matching with the right table?
One line. That is row number 3.
Row number 3 is
3,
matching.
3. Yes.
Nothing else is matching.
1, 1. 1 and 3.
1. Two records are
1 and 3.
matching. One is unmatched record in the left table, but you will get a 1, 2, 3 from the left table because it's a left to join means 1, 3 are matching records plus unmatched record, which is 2 also you need to take. Okay.
Yes.
Next, Mahesh. Can you tell me, Mahesh, for the full join, how many records will come, Mahesh? For full join, how many records will come?
Um, 4 records.
What are those?
1, 2, 3, 5.
So 1, 3 are matching. It's just will be considered 1, 1 is a 1 record. 3, 3 matching. It's a 1 record. Now for 2 separate row, which is not matching with the right side, and 5 there is a separate row. So total 4 rows are going to come in the output. Okay, fine.
Yes.
Next, let me ask. mm, Mahita, can you tell me how many records will come for left semi? Left semi means I am explaining to you again. It returns matching record from left table only.
1, 3.
1, 3. Okay, very good. Prasad, can you tell me for left anti how many records are going to come?
Only one.
What is that record? What is that
That is
record?
3. 3. 2. Sorry, 2.
2. Okay, 2, which is a unmatched record from the left table that is going to come. Okay, very good. Now I think Shilpa, Vinay, they are aware of it. Okay, fine, good. So let's start with their actual execution. What I will do, I'll just go to Chrome. I'll log in into app.fabric.microsoft.com. Workspace, go to my workspace, new item, also all items. So here, what you may need to do is go to data pipelines. Oh, sorry. We need to import the notebook stream. So first let's create our own workspace. This is workspace 40, workspace 040. So this is basically 40th session. Within this 40th workspace, now you can click on import, click on notebook from this compute. What it is saying is sign up for a free Microsoft Fabric trial. You just have to click on workspace settings, go to license info. Now you just come down, click on edit, click on trial, click to select license agreement. Okay. Now what we want to do, now we have enabled the free trial, right? You can click on this and see it's a trial version is enabled. Now you just click on the import here. So click on notebook. You are already, we discussed, right, how to export the notebook, how to import the notebooks, everything we have discussed already. Okay, now you can click on import notebook from this computer. Now you can just say upload. Now go to download. You see mastering joins is the notebook that I want to import. I just imported. So you can see 40 mastering joins. Go inside this. Okay. So now the notebook is ready. First, let me explain you the syntaxes. Okay. So remember, team, this is the data frame I have. So let me show you first how to create this data frame. Is different ways in which you can create the data frame. Already we discussed how to create a data frames from different files, right? Spark.read.json you can put for JSON. If it is CSV, CSV. If it is a Parquet. If it is a ORC. If it is a Avro. These many ways you can able to create the data frames we discussed. I'll explain to you other ways to create a data frame. So the other way to create a data frame is spark.create data frame. Spark is nothing but a Spark session. Create data frame is nothing but a TSV files also same way. You will use .csv to read that, because TSV means tab separated. Tab separated files you will use format of CSV, and you will be just mentioning the delimiter as a tab and you can read it. Okay, I'll explain to you. If we have a time today, I'll explain. Otherwise, tomorrow we will discuss on that. Okay. Now let's focus on this. How to create a data frame is already we have seen how to read the file formats to create a data frame. But now you see spark.create data frame. Spark session I am using to create a data frame. And here if you see, let me make it as more readable. For that, click on this. You should see something called, okay, you are not having anything. Just a minute. There should be a way. 1 minute. I'm not able to see or what. Okay. I think that option is not yet enabled here. Not seeing anywhere. Okay. So it's okay, but generally to let me make it as more readable. You will have an option of formatting, but that format is not yet enabled. I think in the future versions we will see that. But generally to make it as a more readable, you can put it this way. Okay. So this is the first list which has the data. Next I am creating a second list. It has the headers. You see, if you see team, so spark session dot create data frame, I'm creating a data frame. This is a headers. So within this list, square bracket means this is called a, in Python it is called a list. Okay, so that list contains a multiple tuples. See, this is basically one of the tuple. This is called a tuple. These are called what? Tuples. Square bracket is called a list. Parentheses are called a tuple, right? So 2 laptop 2020 1201, 37 mobile 2020 1202, so 77 TV 2020 1203, like this, right? Whatever you have, remember this is a 2 laptop 2020 1201, 37 mobile 2020 1202, 77 TV. So each of this record is a, each of this line is a one record. Okay, so total data rows we have is 3. The headers, if you see, you have a customer ID, order name, order data are the headers. So headers is a separate list, data is a separate list. So whenever you want to create a data frame with the local data, first list should contain say data, second list should contain a columns. First list should contain data, second list should contain a headers. So in first list you can see this is the first row record, second record, third record, 3 rows of data I have. In second list I have a headers. Okay, now you say display of df1. Okay, so this is the data, right? You are able to see, right? These are the headers. You can see customer ID, order name, order data, headers. You can see data also. You can see. So this is my first data frame, orders data frame, and you can see this is a customer data frame. Very similar to that. You can see here, this is a first list contains a one record, second record, third record. This is a one list, and second list contains the headers. Are we all clear on this? Are we all clear on this thing? So you can see this is the second data frame. Now if you see first data frame and second data frame, it has a exactly same data that I have shown you here. See inner join, you can see 23777. Are you having 23777? Yes. You can see laptop, mobile, TV. Some dates are changed, that's okay. Similarly, if you see customer IDs, you have 123, right? Same 123 I have taken here. Okay, meaning the exact data that we are expecting we have. Now what I wanted to do, I want to join these two data frames. So to join any two data frames in Spark, the syntax is simple. df1 dot join of df2. Okay, I am explaining you. df1 dot join of df2 condition. I am putting some condition. So based on what column of the data frame 1 join with the data frame 2, that condition we need to keep it here. And finally you need to say join type, whether it is a inner join, left join, right join, full join, semi join, anti join. You need to mention that here. Now df1 join with the df2, so no issues at all, correct? No issues at all. Now only thing is condition. Condition can be mentioned in a multiple ways. One way is customer ID. If both the data frames contains the same column name, customer ID, then you can just say condition as a customer ID. No, df1 contains a CID, df2 contains a cust ID. Like this, names are different. In this case, then you have to say df1.cid equal to df2.cust ID. So next other way is df1 dot, let's say here it is a CID, you can say df1 of CID, df2 dot cust ID. So you can mention this way if both data frames contain same column name. If both data frames contain a different column name, you can say one way is df dot CID equal to df2 dot cust ID. If the source is having CID, you can say df1 of CID, df2. So you can use any of this syntax based on your requirement. So, but these two are same. Anything you can use, but these two are little different, right? If df1 and df2 contains the same customer ID, you can use it like this. Or you can also mention, it is not that you can't use this. Even if both are having the same column name, customer ID, you can also mention like this, df2 dot customer ID. Okay, are you getting thing? df1 dot customer ID equal to df2 dot customer ID. You can mention like this as well. Are we all good? Next thing is, there is a one more syntax, df1 dot alias of a. So meaning df1 you can rename it as a join with df2, you can rename it as a b. You can say column a data frame customer id equal to column b data frame customer id. Okay, if you have multiple conditions, you can say end, only one end, one ampersand only. Call of a dot department id equal to call of b dot department id. Type of join is inner join. So you can mention like this. Syntax is clear. Now you see I am starting my first data frame. df1 dot join with df2 customer id. Type of join is inner. These are my first syntax. The second syntax is, you can say df1 dot customer id. Okay, df1 dot join with df2, df1 of customer id equal to df2 of customer id. The type of join is inner join. Are you getting? df1 dot join with df2, df1 of customer id equal to df2 dot customer id. Type of join is inner. The third syntax you can see df1 dot customer id equal to df2 dot customer id. Type of join is inner. The fourth syntax, if you see, df1 I am renaming it as a joining with df2 I am renaming it as a b, column of a dot customer id equal to b dot customer id, type of join is inner. These are the four syntaxes. Because if you know first syntaxes, see, first we need to know how the joins will work. Okay, functionality we have to understand, we understood. Second, we have to understand the syntax. We understood the syntax. Now, everybody, can you please respond? You have to speak out. Tell me, everybody clear on this or not? I need answer from all of you. Only 5 people responded. Team. Okay, right. Everybody's clear, right? Now you see I'll execute. But there is a small difference is there between this syntax and remaining all syntaxes. I'll tell you. You see, this is beneficial for all of us. You can see, right, df1 dot join of df2 customer id and the type of join is inner join. Okay, now if you see, customer id is only coming once, because when you use a customer id here condition like this, remember the column selection, whatever is there, right, whatever column customer id which is the same in both, instead of taking duplicate column, it intelligently takes only one column from random data. We don't know from which data frame it took this column. Okay, but it will take only one column, customer id column, which is a key column, right? Only once it will consider. But in all other syntaxes, you see, 2 times customer id is going to come. See, customer id is here, customer id is here. Again here you see, customer id is here, customer id is here. Same inner join syntax, I'm showing you different syntax, but same result, because it's a inner join. Inner join means inner join. Now, for example, I am very good with SQL. I don't want to write the code in data frames. Then what you can do, after reading the files, you create a df1, say that create a replace temp view cust, df2, create a replace temp view orders. Now you create these two data frames, cust and orders. Now you say select star from cust, inner join with orders on cust dot customer id equal to orders dot customer id. See, this is SQL, because now I created tables from the data frame one cust table, data frame to orders table. On top of these two tables, I am applying my join. Now you will get a data frame 3, which is a display of df3. When you say, you are getting like this. Same result, same output you are getting. Clear? Okay, next. df1 renaming it as, see, because now we are getting a 2 columns. I don't want 2 columns, I want to take only 1 column. How to do that is, after your join, put a next statement here. Okay, next statement, what I'm putting, tip, see, after join transformation I am putting a select transformation, because join transformation you understood, df1 rename as a, df2 rename as a b, match the condition, type of join is inner. Now I'm selecting select call of b dot star. B dot star means take all columns from the b data frame. Take all columns from the b data frame and select only order name and order date from the source. See, order name and order date we will be taking from the source. These two. Customer ID we are not taking. Okay. Execute this. Okay. See, customer ID only once it is coming. Next. Execute this. Why error? Tell me. What is the error, team? Can you guess it and tell me? I'm just using left out or I'm getting error. Why? Can you first read the error message and tell me what it is saying?
ID cannot be resolved.
Why?
Customer.id cannot be resolved.
Because customer.id is not available, right? So it is a customer ID. I added a dot to show you the error. Okay. So now if you use it properly, now you use left outer join, you see automatically from the data frame 1 it is taking the customer ID 23777. This is the order name, order date. So this is the data frame 1 columns and these are the data frame 2 columns. But now also customer ID only once it is considering this time very clear left to table customer ID it is considering. Understood? Now left to join again same syntax, only changes left outer, left underscore outer. See, you can use anything. Here I have used left outer. Maybe in any of these syntax you can use anything, right? Left without any underscore. You can say left outer, left underscore outer, left outer. Okay, anything you can able to use any syntax. Left to join means you know, right? Matching records plus remaining records in the left table, remaining records in the left table. So now you see 2 which is a match records, 37 and 77 are the only records which are available in the left table. Okay, 2 which is a match record and 37 and 77 are the only records which are available in the left side. Okay, df1 dot alias of a, df2 dot alias of b, a dot customer ID equal to b dot customer ID left outer join. Now what is meant by that? 2 which is a match record, 37 and 77 are only available in the left table. See, all these three return same result, but left underscore outer you can say, left you can say, left outer you can say. But one thing you have to understand here is when you use this syntax and this syntax, the difference if you see, this is a customer ID which is 23777, but right side customer ID also there. But if you use this syntax, right side customer ID is it is not taking when you apply left outer. It is very simple. Way to remember is whichever customer ID column contains more data, so that particular column it will consider. So when you apply left outer join, you know, right, left table contains all the data, so left table key column it will take. So left table customer ID it will take. When you apply right join, right table customer ID it will take. When you apply a full join, it will mix up left table IDs, right table IDs, and it will put it into a single column customer ID. I'll show you that also. But left outer join everybody understood, right? Now let's look at the right outer join. Oh, sorry, here what we are doing, again we are doing the same. After left outer join, I am using a select statement to select the required column. See, I am selecting all columns from A data frame. I am selecting customer name, contact name, country from the B data frame. Understood? All columns from the A data frame, so only few columns from the B data frame. So now I am moving on to the right join. Right join also very similar, right? Uses syntaxes, 4 syntaxes. Customer ID, customer ID, customer ID, customer ID. Okay. Right outer without underscore, right. Okay. Right. Anything you can able to use. Okay. Now right outer means customer ID has taken from the right table. So 2 which is a match record, 1 and 3 are only available in the right table. Okay. Now you see same right join. 2 is a matching, 1 and 3 are only available at the right side. Next. So 2 which is a match record, 1 and 3 are only available at the right table. Next. You see here. So this time what happens, Tim? I am selecting clearly from a left data frame a dot order name, a dot order date I want. From the right data frame all the columns I want. So that's why all the columns from the right data frame and left data frame order name and order date it has taken. This is the df1 dot join of df2. It's a customer ID. It's a full join. Full join means now you see single customer ID it is mixed. Normally when you apply full join like this, what happens you see? So customer ID 23777 available in the left table customer ID. Right table customer ID is having 1, 2, 3. So when you have all these things, what is happening? Here when you use this syntax, it is mixed all the things into a single column. Correct? You have to understand that. 2 is a matching record. 1 and 3 only available in the right table. 3777 available in the left table. Okay, team. Full join also same. See, full join you can say outer join, full outer, full underscore outer. Any name you can able to use to join. Here also I'm just selecting the required columns. So what I'm doing here, column name I'm just renaming a dot customer ID. I'm renaming it as a order cust ID. Order name I'm renaming it as order name I'm taking as it is. Order date I'm taking as it is. B dot star means all columns from B data frame I'm taking. Only thing is, to avoid the duplicates of customer ID, I'm saying this is order cust ID. So a dot customer ID renamed as the order cust ID. With this, we completed the basic joins, that is inner join, left join, right join, full join team. I'm moving on to the little advanced or Spark specific joins. So let's talk about the semi join. Semi join means I told you the matching records, but only displays from the left table, left data frame. So here data frame 2 is the left, meaning this is the record it has to display, right? You see, same record is displayed to Rama Ana Mexico, to Rama Ana Mexico. But to get this record, to laptop this order date, what change I need to do in this? Hmm?
Just change the places. DF1 starting.
DF here, DF2 here. So this should be good. Just a minute. Able to hear me, team? Hello? Hello?
Yes,
Yes, yes,
yes.
it's clear, clear.
Okay, fine. So semi-join means matching records from the left table. Left table means here data frame. So yeah, you can see right here. I was explaining with the DF2. Sorry, DF2. I'm matching the DF2. It should be DF1, right? Yeah. DF2 join with the DF1, it will take a DF2 column. Similarly, if you put a DF1 at the first place, it will give you the DF1 column. Now I'm talking about the, see, it's a semi, you can say or left semi, left underscore semi, you can use anything. DF1 dot alias of A, DF2 dot alias of B, first ID left semi. Anyhow, you can mention this left semi. Okay, 2 laptops. See, DF1 contains 2 laptop this, it is giving that matching data. Again, I'm displaying DF1 and DF2. This time I'm going to talk about anti-join. Anti-join means, can you tell me if I say df1 dot join with df2 anti-join, if I apply, what records will come to?
Unmatched
Unmatched
record
records
from
from
only
left
left
side.
side.
What are those unmatched records here?
37 and 77.
37 and 77. Correct. You come here, you see df2 contains a, df2 means 1 and 3. df1 contains a 37 and 77. You see, when I apply df1 at the left side 37 77, df2 when I apply 1 and 3 are the left data frame unmatched records. Clear? Now, if you, for example, if you don't have a left anti-join, how to get the left anti-join by using left join is, let's see. First you apply left join. Okay. After you apply left join, now you put here one filter. That is, I want only unmatched records in the left table, right? Only records available in the left table, meaning 3777. To get a 3777, you need to filter here null. So meaning filter, you can say call of b dot customer ID is null. Now you take, you are getting nulls. From this, now you say I want only the A data frame columns, right? So what you can do is now call of A dot star, right? So because data frame one out column. So this is how you will get it. If it is a left join, then filter, then select. To avoid all these things, now what Databricks team is giving team? Databricks team is simply going to give you, data frame team is simply going to give you left anti. Left anti, when you apply, what happens? You will get the same result. You will get the same result. You see, you apply like this, you will get same result. You apply directly left anti, you will get the same result. Clear? Clear team. Next, cross join, as I mentioned, it's a Cartesian product. Okay, Cartesian product. 2 is going to match with 1, 2, 3. 37 is going to match with 1, 2, 3. 77 is matching with 1, 2, 3. Now let's say I have a data from 1 and data from 2 for these records. Can you tell me how many records will come when I apply left inner join, left join, right join, full join, left semi, left anti? I'm giving you 2 minutes. I'll be back in 2 minutes. You need to give me all the details. How many records will come for inner join, left join, right join, full join, left semi, left anti? All the answers, put it in chat at once. Note down in notepad, give me all answers at once. Don't send inner join 2 once, left join 3 once, like that. Don't send them. How many team? Very good. Inner join, it is very simple, right? 2 is matching with the 2. 1 is matching with 1. This one is also matching with this one. So total 3 records. Is there any unmatched records in the left table? No, right? So left join means 3 plus unmatched records, but unmatched records are not there. 3 plus 0, 3 only. Right join means 3 plus. Is there any unmatched record? Yes, there is a one record, that is a third record which is not matching. So So it will be 3 plus 1. Total 4 records will come for the right join. Full join means 3 plus unmatched records in the left table is 0 plus unmatched records in the right table is 1. So 3 plus 0 plus 1 is nothing but full join. Now left anti, if you see, as these 3 are matching, 3 records will come in the semi join. Anti join means there is no unmatched records, 0 records will come in the output. So now whoever mentioned 334430 is the correct answer. Whoever mentioned 334430, that is the right answer. 334409, 334403. Very good. All of you mentioned correctly. Good. Now come here. Let's display this. See here, customer ID. One like you are seeing, right? Inner join 3 records 1 1 2. So left join means same because there is no unmatched records. Right join, there is one extra third record is going to come, which is only available in the right table. Full join means exactly same will come because there is no unmatched records in the left table. So 3 matching, one is only available in the right table. Next, this is a semi join. Semi means which is only matching records in the left table. So these are the only records which are available in the left table. Okay, now just execute this and use, sorry, these are the matching records from the left table. Anti, there is no anti records, that's why 0. There is no unmatched records from left table, 0. So that's why, as I said, 3 3 4 4 3 0, whoever mentioned, that is correct answer. Now I am displaying DF1 and DF2. This time there are two conditions we have. Customer ID should match and country also should match. Based on this, can you tell me how many records will come for inner join, left join, right join, full join, left anti, left semi?
I think you are in mute.
Oh, sorry, team. I was in mute. I'm saying customer ID 2 is matching with the 2 here. Mexico is matching with Mexico. This one is matching with this one, and Germany is matching with the Germany. But if you see, one is matching with one, but Mexico is not matching with Germany, meaning this record is not fully matching with this record, meaning now only matching records are 2. Okay, left join will be 2 plus 1 because there is a 1 unmatched record. Right join is 2 plus 1 again because there is a 1 unmatched record, this 3. Full join means 2 plus 1 is from unmatched left side, 1 is unmatched from the right side. 2 plus 1 plus 1, total 4 records are going to come in the right join. Now left semi means 2 records, left anti means 1 record. So whoever mentioned 2, 3, 3, 4 and 2, 0, those are the correct answers. So inner join we are expecting 2 records. Left join we are expecting 3 records. Right join also we are expecting 3 records. Full join we are expecting 4 records. And then semi join we are expecting 2 records. Anti join we are expecting 1 record. Okay, that is correct. Now again, the next scenario, you have like this. I am joining based on only customer ID. It is very straightforward, right? 1, 2 are matching. So 2 are matching records. This is not matching. 3 for the left join, 3 for the right join because there is unmatched. Full join means 2 are matching, 1 plus 1. 4 are the total records for the full join. So left and semi, you know 2, left and 1. Okay. So 2 are the inner join, left is 3, right is 3, full join is 4 records. It's very straightforward, very simple example it is, correct? Now let's move on to this. Now tell me in this example, how many records will come for inner join, left join, right join, full join, left semi, left anti? I'm giving you 1 minute time again. Very good. Correct, Vinay. So null is not going to match with null team. You have to first ignore that. If null is not matching with null, it is simple, right? 2 is 1 2 is matching with 1 2. So 2 for inner, left is 3, right is 3, full is 4, left is same is 2, left hand is 1. So it is very straightforward based on our examples, whatever we learned. Right, inner is going to be 2. Only key point is null will not match with null. That is the key. Inner join 2, left join is 3 because 1 is unmatched, and right join is 3 because there is a 1 unmatched. Then full join, there will be a 4 records for the full join, you can see here. Okay, because 1 2 or matching, but this side there is a null record, this side there is a null record. Total 4. Now final example, df1 and df2. So I have like this. Can you tell me how many records will come for inner join, left join, right join, full join, semi and anti? Total 6 types of joints. I need a result. I am giving you 1 minute time. You have to respond. So now tell me, Tim, for inner join it is simple, right? One is going to match with this one, same one will also match with this one will match with this one also match with this one. So that's why whenever there is a duplicate, what way you need to do is 2 2 ja 4 plus, okay, again here 2 times, here 2 times, okay, 2 into 2 again 4, 4 plus 4, so total 8 records are going to come for the inner join total 8 records, because 2 into 2 into 2 4, again 2 into 2 4, so total 8 match records are going to come. Left join is 9, right join is 9, full join is 10. Very simple, right? Because there is a one unmatched, 8 plus 1 9, there is a one unmatched, 8 plus 1 9. So full join means 8 matched, one unmatched from left, one unmatched from right, total 8 plus 1 plus 1 10. Left to semi means 4 records. These 4 only matching, right? These 4 only match and cut. 4 left to semi means. Left anti means only 1. This is the only one record. Okay. Now you see inner join we are expecting 8 records. Okay, we are having 8 records. Left to join we are expecting a 9 records. You see we are getting a 8 plus this is a 1 record, 9 record. Data frame 1. So 8 plus this is the right side fifth record, that is 1, 8 plus 1 9 record. Full join means total now 10 records, 8 plus these two 10 records. Left to semi means these are the only match records in the left table. Left anti means only unmatched record, that is the fifth record from the left table. df1 dot create or replace. See, I'm showing you once again from data frames you can create a tables, temporary tables. By using those temporary tables, you can able to like query, you can apply all your transformation in terms of the joins and you can create a final data frame. No, I don't want that result to be catched into the data frame just for my analysis. Then you can directly say percentile SQL and you can put your SQL queries here. It will give you the result. You can put all your SQL statements here. Exact SQL query you can put it here. Nothing else is required. Okay. So this is how you can able to do the joins between the two tables. If you have a more than two tables, how to join it? If you have more than two tables, how to join it? For example, if you have more than two tables, it should be joined like this: df1, df2. So simple way I'll tell you. You can rename this as a A. Okay. Join with df2 dot alias of b, call of a dot cad equal to call of b dot CAD. Type of join is, let's say, inner join. So this is the first data frames you join. Now I want to join with the data frame 3. So this you have to put join df3. Let's say alias of C, you want to do C, call of B dot CAD equal to call of C dot ID. Let's say CAD or whatever, CAD or first ID. Type of join is similar. Let's see, you want to join further, you just have to do this only, repeat. Based on the columns you need to do. This is a df3, we are aliased as a C, df4 alias as a D, df5 alias as a E. Okay, C dot sorry, this is B dot CAD equal to C dot first ID. Next, D dot first ID equal to let's say B dot first, like let's say customer ID or department ID, something like this. Whatever join columns between which tables you need to join, those column conditions you will put, but you will be joining like this. Understood? Yeah, that's all for today, team. If you have any questions, please let me know. Anybody have any questions? Clear, team?
Sir, how to read this TSV file?
How to read
TSV.
TSV? TSV, first you have the file. Do you have the file or not?
No, I don't have data. Uh,
Because if you have a data, then only you will be able to understand. Otherwise, if I show with the files that I have, you may think, oh, is it really this is the TSV means or something like that? You will get the doubts. That's it. But I'll show you quickly. I'm creating a lake course. A global, then upload files. Select this, down documents, open with icon data sets, set icon common. What you need to do is credit underscore monthly. Not sorry, you want TSV files, right? Tab separated. These are TSV files, okay? You can see extension of these files are basically TSV. Copy relative path. Now you see, first I'll show you how the data is looks like at this. Oh, sorry, yes, see the text file. See, it is a tab separated, okay? /t. So that's why when you are reading into the Spark, right, you need to say spark.reader format of CSV only. Only difference is you need to say option header comma true. I have headers dot option delimiter /t dot load df equal to display of df. Execute this. So what we are doing, just we are using a /t as a delimiter, we will be able to read the data. Okay? Even though extension is TSV, but you need to mention this.
yeah, thank you. Got it.
Okay. Any other questions, Tim? Okay. Okay, Tim, if no questions, then thank you.